boot up here. Hey guys, Midnight Mechanic here, and today we're looking at a
2003 S10 ZR2.
ZR2. And it's got everything works on it.
Everything works. It has a small problem with the shift sensor coming from reverse in the mornings. But other than that, it's fine. It needs a shift sensor. That's all it needs.
And it's a 4L60E.
4L60E, 4.3 V6.
Vortec.
Yep. It's got 128,000 on it.
Yeah, them V6s are unkillable.
Yeah.
It's just basically the V8 with 2 cylinders taken off.
Right.
It's 10 Chevrolet with a lift kit on there.
Yeah, it's got 6-inch lift on it. 33-inch tires.
You recall the who fabricated the lift kit?
No, it's all factory.
Factory?
Yeah, it's a rancher suspension.
Wow.
Yeah, it's rancher suspension.
That's the first I've ever seen lifted from factory.
Yeah.
There, rear end. Let's see here. That is a
Skyjacker, that's what it is. It's not rancher, it's Skyjacker.
Skyjacker?
Yeah.
Leaf spring modification, or like they use leaf springs, but they extend them way down. It's got
re-arched springs on it.
yeah, frame's pretty good.
Frame's perfect on it.
It's got a 10 bolt. You know what kind of 10 bolt?
What kind? 410s?
410s in there. Posi or no?
Nope, not
Posi.
Limit slip.
What else is there? I know they had the 8.5s in these things. It looks smaller than that.
It might be an 8, I think. Whatever S10 is. I don't know.
Yeah, I wouldn't know. I'm thinking 7.5 because Camaros have a 7.5 inch, 7.6.
Good, I don't know.
Which is a 28 spline by now.
Yeah.
So yeah, they built them up pretty good. They used them in conjunction with 9-bolt Borg Warners. And said if they didn't want the 9-bolt, they would go with the 10-bolt.
Right. Like I said, the ACE, cruise control, everything works on it. Like I said, the only thing wrong with it is that window motor's out of the left door. Where they tried to break into it. They broke it.
It's one of those things where it's so valuable they end up breaking something just to get in.
Oh yeah, they tore it up. It's crazy.
Kind of a semi-crew cab. Yeah, there's fold-down seats back here.
Yeah, it's got fold-down seats.
Wow. It is nice in here. Nothing's torn, nothing broken. Except for the window.
I'm taking really good care of it.
Yeah. Well.
That stuff all goes out. I just ain't cleaned it up yet.
I was wondering, what is that chrome dog right there? Does that come with it?
Black bulldog off of the semi.
We'll put it on there.
Yeah.
Won't buy it unless it's on there. What's the head unit? Naxta. USB, CD. A lot of units don't even have CD anymore.
Yeah, it's got a little thumper stereo in it, but nothing special. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's got the K&N air filter. Oh no, it don't either. I took it off.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Yeah, I still got the K&N air filter for it.
Let's take a good shot of that motor.
Tap the hood.
Tap the hood.
Tap it.
Don't want to beat on it.
It come up.
It's so hot. There we go.
That's where it's sitting on a bind.
There are adjustables on it. Right there.
I've been in it.
This right here, you adjust these up and take the bind out.
But it's never been wrecked. Yeah, that's a good plus. And I'm the second owner of it. I've always took good care of it.
Now this is interesting. The AC looks refreshed, but they routed
this. I already had this all redone because it never worked when I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to fix this. I took a used pump, but all the rest of it's good.
Yeah.
I just put Put all new lines and stuff on it. I did that about 4 years ago.
Haven't changed much.
No.
Compressor pumps changed a little bit, but that's about it. Now, interestingly enough, these pump lines were all around here. By 1992, they put the compressor pump over here.
Yeah.
I don't know why they changed it on the Vortec, though.
I don't know either.
Especially considering it's, what, the same block?
Exact same thing. Yeah, it's identical.
The only difference between the Vortec blocks and the small blocks is they reduce the distance between the camshaft and crankshaft. Coil and plug design, no distributor.
Oh.
And these being a cast iron block, the LS block is an aluminum, all aluminum.
Yeah.
There's the dipstick.
I hate getting rid of it because
it's such a good truck.
Yeah, I drive a little truck, but I can't pull my side-to-side trailers and stuff with it, you know what I mean? I don't want to tear it up.
Yeah, it's lightweight use, but it's more of an off-road truck than anything else.
I don't even off-road. I've never had it in the mud. This truck has never been in the mud as far as I know.
Well, it'll be a good mudding truck.
Yeah, it would be to somebody, but I'd cry to see it in the mud.
They did put the dipstick in the right place, though, because
Yeah.
there's a Miata up the road. Couldn't even find a dipstick.
Oh, really?
Just looked like a little rubber plug, and you're like, is that the oil? That's the oil.
Yeah,
it's got skid plates.
Nice little truck.
It's got, what, electronic lockers?
Yep. Yeah, all that works.
Yeah.
Like I said, everything on the truck works.
Yeah, it's about the same drivetrain as a bigger truck. It's
yeah, that's
just,
all it is. It's a mock-up of the bigger truck. It's just smaller dimensions.
Let me see some. Yeah, they ended up swapping these out. Instead of using coil springs, they use those torsion bars.
Torsion bars, cranking down.
And those offered a little bit more payload. Comfort's negligible, but
this little truck ride's nice. You couldn't believe how, I mean, this truck, it's a nice little riding truck. It's good gas mileage too. That's one thing I can say about it. It does get good gas mileage.
It gets surprisingly good gas mileage.
Surprising. Everybody's like, you get that much gas mileage? Yeah, I get it. I was getting anywhere from 18 to 19 miles a gallon every day, is it? But I never, I never run the shit out of it or anything else either.
Yeah, being a V6, it's not.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little bit easier on the gas.
This is where they broke in. See where they tried to break into it? They took a screwdriver in and they got one piece of this thing broke. They did that, and they broke that window, and like I said, they beat the crap out of the hood trying to get in the hood. We were on vacation and they come up here and done that. We broke into it.
Was it for sale back then?
No. It sat in my garage.
Man.
Yeah, I was a little upset.
My guess is if it was already in the garage, somebody already knew about it and saw it.
Yeah, I'd say somebody's wanting to steal the stereo out of it, to tell you the truth, or the battery. Because we either figured the battery or the stereo because they was trying to get in it, and you can see where they was getting underneath the hood of it.
That stereo's not even worth it.
That's what I said. It ain't worth anything. I said, my gosh.
Stereos these days, I mean, jeez.
And then a week later, we had a four-wheel drive Durango get stolen out of here.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Figured living out in the country wouldn't be so bad, but
crazy. Yeah.
You gotta lock all your stuff up now.
Right.
And if you do lock it up, people still break it out.
I figure it's worth $3,500 though, you know what I mean?
Yeah.